Hello and welcome back to my kitchen and Choosing Crispy Cooking channel. Today I'm super excited because as a son of a butcher, we're going to be cooking with my favorite protein, pork. I'm going to show you how to make a pork Wellington. The Wellington is of course known in the world mostly because of this guy.
Look your fucking dish and shut your fat mouth!
Yeah, okay. And for using a beef fillet. But we're going to change this up and use a less expensive piece of meat. But I will assure you that for any dinner you're going to serve this, nobody's going to ask you how much did this cost to do, but how did you do it? And that is what I'm going to show you today. So let's do it. So start by getting out your tenderloin and clean it by cutting away any silver skin or unwanted fat. Season the pork with salt and pepper and set it aside. No Wellington without mushrooms. Now living in France, I found these amazing local mushrooms in the vegetable market.
Vive la République! Vive la France!
But you can also use normal mushrooms from the supermarket.
Merde.
Really, don't sweat it. Chop up the mushrooms and peel the shallots. Now chop them finely. Okay, I give up. And chop them finely. In a pan, add oil and the chopped mushrooms. Now add the shallots and cook until most of the liquid is gone. Remove the mushroom mixture and get the pan back on the stove. Add additional oil and some butter. Now brown the tenderloin on all sides and throw in some garlic cloves if you like. Once the loin have an even color, remove it and let it rest. Get out a large piece of plastic wrap and arrange the prosciutto slightly overlapping each other. Now spread some Dijon mustard on the prosciutto. And now the mushroom shallot mix. Add the tenderloin on top and roll the prosciutto over the tenderloin. Wrap both ends of the plastic wrap and roll until you got a meat tootsie roll. Put it in the fridge and let it rest for minimum 15 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. Roll out the puff pastry. If you're a top chef, you can do this yourself, but don't beat yourself up for buying it just like I do. Unwrap the tenderloin and place it on the pastry. Now roll the pastry over and seal using egg wash. Trim the dough and seal the ends. Place it in a tray, and here you can be creative and make whatever pattern you want. Granted, this is pretty basic. Now baste with egg wash and get the Wellington in the oven until it reaches an internal temperature of 140 Fahrenheit or 60 Celsius. It should take around 20 minutes. Now cut it open and reveal the beauty inside. You can now serve it with, for instance, asparagus. Oh shit. Get back there. And cover it in your favorite gravy. And there you have it, a beautiful pork Wellington. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.